In this video, I will show you how to set up Notion for note taking, starting from creating a simple note taking page to creating advanced level dashboard with different views and buttons and lot of other features. So let's see that. Name the page like okay, good. And now let's add an icon for it and this. Now let's show you the simplest way, which is just give a slash and name like page and gonna shop like this. You're gonna choose this page and then give the name like meeting notes. Oh yeah, meeting, just meeting. And then you can add an icon and for it and for the icon you can just say this. Okay, and then you can just put this fruit. And then you can just give an h2 heading and say like and then just design like color background color blue background color guess what your favorite color and divider and then you can just write things okay and you can write things and just okay, you can create toggles side toggles like important things and then you can just create more and more bullet points. You can either create bullet points right here or you can just create it right here. Okay, and that's how you can create a page for writing in Notion. Let's write this. Let's write in this, and you can create more and more pages and then create H2 and images if you want, like images slash type image. I'm going to show you here. Just need to upload images. Okay, and that's how you can and you can also upload files like slash file and you can show like this and here you can upload files okay now let's talk about the advanced where you can use Notion system database. It's a powerful feature in Notion which is creating database inline database and full page database to create systems that can automate things and make it easier. So here let's create a inline database. Slash h2 here let's create like uh, notes all in one notes. Okay, in here let's give a heading and color to background slash divider and then slash and name it like inline database. Okay, construct like this, select that, and here you can just build a database by what you want right here, or you can just create it from scratch. New empty, and here let's name it notes. Okay, and you can give it an icon if you want, but I will just or just you can add icons like this, and here pen uh, choose this icon and then just hide it and let's name it all. Okay, oh it's a whole note section showing up all the notes and then let's give it an icon like this. Okay, now now let's add some properties. So first property should be like Notion will give suggestions. Okay, you can either use the suggestions it gave and or you can just create your own properties like cell properties for types. Let's go with types, and here let's add options like you can just let's go on. Okay, now let's create another property which is gonna be multi-select for tags. Okay, with tag tags and here let's give it like and this goes on of course and here you can select multiple options like food money time in a single page if this note is related to food money and breakfast you can select that and select from you can select that you can, between you can so on and here let's create two or more properties which is gonna be create a time and last data time and also a achieve button. So for that let's create the checkbox and here I will rename this to achieve and change the icon to check from archive box. Okay, good. And now let's try this here. And yeah. Now let's create a button for creating pages. So slash button and then uh, new node and can select you can also add icon. For that let's add the plus icon and then new action and then new action and then select add page to and then the source of database source which is notes dashboard. So the Indian database is from notes database, notes dashboard so page. So let's select that and here let's go and select open page open with whenever you create the using the button, please we are telling the notion please open with the newly added page which is this page we already added with using the button. Okay, so page added and then done. When you tap on this button then show up like this. Okay, and I know it's this kind of unorganized, so let's organize that. Can either organize from here, but let's do it from here because we have something, I have something to show you. So press new template and then maybe like and new note and you can give icon if you want. First let's organize choosing down create time last time down and yeah. And this is how I arranged. Okay, and now let's make this as default. After making that as a default, you try to start a new writing a new note. When you come over here, it's gonna show up that new template we added. Okay, and now let's create multiple templates. Like just duplicate it and customize. Like enter meeting note. Okay, meeting note, and here we're gonna select the type to meeting and select can select the tags if you want, but let's say make it empty and here let's create a heading like okay. And now let's create one more which is gonna be to click this and this is for family. Okay, the family node. Just select that. Sorry. Okay, and now let's select the type to family and here let's give a uh, and voila. And now, how do you make use of this? Okay, that's the main question. So let's solve that question by creating a button. So let's create three columns for that. Uh, three columns. Okay. So let's add this new page button in the first column, and then gonna add Control plus C, copy and then paste in the second column. Yeah. Okay, second column, and then paste the same button on the third column. Okay, good. Now let's change it. So for the second button let's change to new meeting notes. Okay, so and then create select the and then first default page to meeting notes. Okay, and then done and then change this to new family note. Okay, and then select this and change this to family notes and then mark it as done, and that's it. And whenever you have a certain nodes related to family, then tab on here. I'm gonna show up the we show up with the tag with family and the template, like what happened in the house and what you need to change. And if you need a meeting node, then open this and you're gonna show up like meeting node, type select a meeting and the prompt to answer like what happened today, what happened in the meeting and the important notes and that's so on. And that's how you can create new templates and then automate that using the button. Okay, now let's organize this all. Okay, so for that let's do something like filter. I don't want to show the thing pages that are marked as archive, so mark as mark this filter by unchecked and yeah. And now let's duplicate this and change the name to meeting or meeting. And then select the icon like this. And then what you need to do is, oh sorry, there is one more thing I need to do. uh, Sorted by create time, which is descending. So whenever you create a new page, for example, we create a family note, I'm gonna show up in the first. So and that's the use of sorting it by create time to descending. And then you can just duplicate this. Wait, so these are we have something to finish like types to meeting and sort by uh, create time, which is descending. And now let's duplicate this. Now let's use the tags. For the tag, this, and then let's group this by tags. Okay, select the property by tags, set tags, and then hide empty group sets and toggle this, and it's gonna show up all the tags that are related, like breakfast related pages you created, driving related pages you created, and so on. You can just toggle all this. Okay, now let's also create a make use of this archive button we had it. So new table here, let's and let's create archive, and then change the toggle to, so sorry, change the icon to archive, and then gonna select this as checked, and we're gonna use the last editor, sorted by last editor, and it's gonna be set as descending. Okay, good. And when we archive some pages like this, and we are gonna secondly archive this meeting, and gonna show up the latest archived page as in top. Okay, that's the use of sorting by last editor to descending. Yeah, so you can create a node base in Notion with making the use of the button feature. It's really helpful, and there is also a really helpful feature which is I'm gonna show you. Come over here, and then select the edit view, and then there is this condition color. So select the condition color and new color setting, and here you can select the tag like whenever the type is, okay, is make this is selected as family or meeting. Okay, what it does is it changes the color to the matching color. You can change the color here, and when you come over here, oh sorry, we archived the meeting. So check this for the time being, and here you can see the meeting in blue color. Okay, and this that section, that the condition color is already affected in this one view. Okay, and yeah, you can change that by selecting here and then giving all a separate condition color. Okay, this is how you can use Notion to collect notes and take notes when you are meeting or in your family, and yeah, wherever you are. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you with different tutorial. This is helpful. Okay, see you there.